Well, first of all, it doesn't have nothing to do with our party, it's the electoral party. Because with our party, we have no problem. We have no faction, we have just one PDP in Nigeria, as we can see today. Under the leadership of my chairman, Prof.Mgbeke. Two new political parties have just been started. One came as a result of conflict, very high question. That is the African Democratic Congress. So, for us, it's a good development. And what it means now is that we have 21 political parties in Nigeria.
The last time you were here to attend this meeting was for the call of the INEC because of the crisis in your party with two factions attending. Now you are attending this meeting. What does it mean to the party?
Well, first of all, it's very clear. Nigerians are aware that hard issues, hard cuts, issues on, and last week, Friday, for a fact, the Federal High Court in the West made it very clear that the problem of evidence, because the so-called Convention of December 15, 2025 is a nullity, and that no other person should arrest himself, herself, as a member of the party, and that the rigorous body of PDP that has the full powers to speak for the party, to work at the time and to the party, is the National Work Committee led by Mohammed. So,
why haven't you taken over this?
This happened on Friday. Remember that police sealed the place, and then the other group went to court to ask police to open, and Madam was dismissed because there was no local. So by Monday, we take over the office.
So your message to the party members?
Oh, party members are already happy because those who are afraid that many people don't have candidates in the next couple of elections, it's now settled that the party will fill candidates from A, C. And so we're happy, people are happy that nobody has come to the party now. And you can see something different because we have old hands who have been in this party, who have been working managers of this party for a long time, for the last 5 years, last 3 or 4. And so we are going to fast-track everything to be able to do that.
Now, what do you have to say about Senate resolution not to mandate the electoral transition of the election?
Well, this is the speculation here. It's not the white paper is not out yet. I've not seen a clear report of what they have said, so I cannot comment on that.
So what do you have to expect from PDP?